Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Facebook. Here we go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook and you can click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook and then you can update your app here in this blue sign as you see. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.